Hello children, hope you are all fine. Alright, I ask you a question. Why do we ask questions? If we ask questions, we get different answers. To acquire knowledge, to begin and strengthen relationship, to stimulate creativity, to solve a problem, to gain person's attention. Alright, in this lesson, the king asked three questions. Shall we see the lesson? Leo Tolstoy. Tolstoy is one of the most popular Russian writers. He was a great philosopher and novelist. His writings are marked by great faith in God and respect for moral values. Three Questions is a short story which deals with the questions which a king wanted to know so that he could never fail. In the short story, Three Questions, Leo Tolstoy explores the theme of wisdom, acceptance, kindness, and forgiveness. Alright, we start our lesson. The characters are king, hermit, bearded man, wise men, messengers, soldiers. Once there was a king who thought to be a successful ruler, he must know the answer of three questions. The questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? The king sent messengers in all directions to find people who could answer these questions. Many wise men came, but their answers were all different. For the first question, some of them felt that the king should follow a timetable, while there were others who felt that it is not possible to decide the right time for doing something in advance. Similarly, for the second question, some wise men said that the king should follow his counselors, counselors a member of a council, while others thought it was the priest a person who performs religious ceremonies in some religions, whom the king should listen to. Then there were those who felt that it was the doctor the king should obey, while there were many in favor of soldiers. For the third question, some wise men said science should be of highest priority for the king, while others said religion. The king was not satisfied with these answers, as they were so different from each other. He did not give any reward to anyone and thought to seek consultation of a wise hermit who lived in the jungle. Hermit is a person who lives alone and leads simple life. The hermit will see only ordinary people, so the king dressed up like a normal man, leaving behind his horse and bodyguards, and went to the hermit's hut. The hermit was an old man and was busy digging the ground in front of his house. The king told the hermit that he has come in search of answers for his three questions and repeated them. The hermit did not respond and continued digging the ground. Some time passed and the king, seeing the hermit to be tired, offered his help. The king continued digging the ground till evening. In the evening, the king again requested the hermit to answer his questions. But at that moment, someone came running towards the hermit's house. A man came running towards them with a hand on his wounded stomach. The king cleaned the wound and dressed the wound, controlling the flow of blood. The man felt better and asked for some water. Hermit and the king took the man inside the house. The man was lying quiet inside the house, and the tired king too fell asleep on the ground. In the morning, when the king opened his eyes, he saw the wounded man asking for forgiveness. The man told the king that he had come to take revenge for him because the king had killed his brother and had taken away all his property. He wanted to kill the king while returning from the hermit's place. But the king's bodyguards found him and wounded him. He would have died if the king would not have helped him. He regretted his thoughts of killing the king and promised to be his faithful servant. The king was pleased to turn his enemy into a friend. He forgave him and returned all his property. The king then went to look for the hermit who was sewing sheets in the beds that they have dug the day before. He requested the hermit for the last time to answer his questions. To this, the hermit replied that the king has already found the answers. Hermit says that the king had pitied his weakness and had dug those beds for him. So the most important time was when the king was digging the beds, and he was the most important man. The most important time was when the king was attending to the wounded man and was the important man at that time. Moral. It set us thus the importance of time, so we had never to waste it. It tells us importance of people, so we have to respect all the people. It also tells us that humanity is first prospect of all human, so we should always do good of others. Thank you. You have understood the summary of the lesson. Read the lesson once again in your content book and answer the following questions. I have given 4 questions. Read the questions clearly and answer. I have given page number also to refer answers. Thank you.